Why you should learn CBT. CBT is a journey of personal development that empowers individuals to understand and transform their thought patterns. This approach is excellent for building resilience. It equips people with practical skills to navigate life's challenges more effectively. It's about strengthening one's ability to cope with stress and change. CBT focuses on fostering positive change in one's life. It encourages an active role in creating a more fulfilling and balanced life experience. This method is wonderful for enhancing emotional regulation. It helps in recognizing and adjusting emotions in a healthy way, leading to improved relationships and personal satisfaction. CBT encourages a solution-focused mindset. It's about identifying goals and working systematically towards achieving them, fostering a sense of accomplishment and confidence. Part of CBT involves promoting mindfulness and an appreciation for the present moment. This helps in reducing worries about the past or future and increases enjoyment and engagement in daily activities. It's all about cultivating healthier thinking patterns that support personal and professional growth. It guides individuals in challenging unhelpful thoughts and replacing them with more constructive ones. The process is supportive and collaborative. It involves working together with a guide who provides insights, encouragement, and strategies tailored to individual needs and life situations. This approach is versatile and can be adapted to a wide range of life situations and goals, whether it's managing stress, improving relationships, or enhancing overall well-being. If you appreciate a calm approach to self-improvement, feel free to subscribe.